Good morning, Aries. Hello, everyone. Aries, I welcome all of you to this wonderful channel of ours. That is our divine family, and this beautiful, beautiful read, which is regarding you versus them. So we are going to start you with the your cards first, and then your partner's card, and then the mutual cards. Talking about the love message cards, everything in a very nicer manner, in a very brief manner, will be discussed in front of you people. Let me begin here with your side card first. So Aries, what does your card says for this particular August month and what's happening in the current situation, as in for the terms of you versus them, okay? So what it is all, we are having Two of Cups as a pretty well first card from your side. What is the next card? What is the next card, universe? Please do show us the next card for the lovely Aries people. Nine of Swords is also here, okay. Okay, guys. What is your partner's card? Some kind of communication is entering. What is your partner's card? They want to communicate with you. Okay, what is your partner's card? Okay, I'm getting the partner's card. It shows the Emperor is here. What else? What else do I having for the partner's card? For the lovely. What's happening, guys? There are so many cards. Please do universe guide us for the your versus them, like their card. We have Ace of Wands. Please do show us the mutual cards, universe. What is the mutual cards between the Aries and the Aries partners? Reveal, and what is the mutual energies they both. Okay. We have Seven of Wands. There might be lots of missed calls, pending messages. Okay. Now let me reveal the energies for you. The very important energies which is coming from your side, we're going to talk about it first. Aries people, I have to genuinely say this thing to you, that you definitely are into this particular situation of sharing this beautiful cup of love with your partner. Now this beautiful cup of love is something which you are really eager to share. You are having something in your head and things are going too much in your mindset, that what kind of a guy you want, or you're kind of right now ready for marriage or long-term commitments. Now the point is, you already have had a lot of scary relationships before, and if not relationships, definitely some kind of heartbreaks had happened, to which is making you feel a little bit scared and afraid of taking this initiative of getting with this individual and perform a wonderful relationship. So I feel here that this beautiful thing is getting pissed off by this particular thing, that is the past experiences. And Aries, I do have to say, no matter what, your heart is very pure. It's wanting to enter into this relationship, to share this beautiful cup of love with your partner. And yes, Aries, you will feel this particular thing, that the way you are feeling, the mutual energies will be coming from their side as well, and you both are going to care for each other and are going into a depth of this particular relationship. When I come up to your partner's part, I do have to say here that the energies encompassing over them is saying that they are into a stage of new beginnings. Okay, so whatever was there, they have just ended all of sort of things. They are ready to initiate a new relationship with you, new beginning with you, and it is all purity. It is all depending upon the righteousness and the right path as well. No matter what, I feel here as well that it is taking time to initiate in a larger times. Also, I feel that this individual itself will come to you and they might ask you about that. This is my planning, this is what I'm thinking to do, what is yours? So I think this mutual discussion among you both is going to be proving something well. And I feel here that this individual is going to tell you that let's initiate this new beginning without any other thoughts. Okay, which is very beautiful in its own ways, in its own manner. Definitely I feel here as well that this individual is charming. This individual is having leadership qualities. This individual is strongly willed person. they're a kind of a person who you will always look up at, okay, as an idol also. They are great, they are a well initiator as well as a well conducting terms also. There, it's very strong in them. When I see the mutual cards, I feel here that you might initiate fights between you both. First thing, now both of you stand for the trust and both of you stand for the right things. Now if anybody is lying, if anybody is saying something which is ill or bad about it, definitely I feel that you're gonna go into this particular situation of shouting at the other person. So you people, both of them are having this one particular similar trait, and that is that you both are gonna take stand for what is right, and you will never ever go for wrong or lie things. Definitely when I see you people are fighting in their own selves, in their own field, so you people might be of different fields. I don't see that you people are of same fields, but definitely people are fighting your own fights. Okay, there is a lot of struggle in both of your life. You are trying harder to maintain all of that, and you are really working against it, working for it, things like that. Okay, let me also guess you and get you for the few cards, which is also important, I feel, guys. Okay, guys. Okay, wait a minute. Screen. Yeah, if it is, then it is. As I said, messages, text messages are coming up. It says, I'm sorry for not responding your messages and I regret. With that, I feel I'm also having one more card to tell you. If you are testing my water, you better know how to swim. Ego problem is definitely in this relationship. I feel if it is there that you're having egos or things like that, yes, this is a problem, bigger problem. I'm telling you, this thing is coming up. Yes, because you might be having own issues, like you feel that I am right, they feel they are right, things like that. And this is the end of it. I love you. I think everything, despite of every fights, despite of every things not working in your favor, things like that, still love is what you both are choosing. Love is what you both are meant for. No matter how many fights you people do, still you both are together. Okay, that's a great thing, I would say. That's a great time happening. I hope it is resonating, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share it with your friends, family, and everyone with whom you like. Please do post it on your social media status, okay, as in Instagram, Facebook, anywhere where you use it. And I'm glad that people have joined us, guys. Thank you so very much.